Yeah. Will that finish?
Go home. Fall asleep on the train and go home. You were on the train by yourself when I texted you back. Like at night, like it was like 11 by yourself. You like it. Okay, because I was like, yeah.
What's that?
You will like it. I just wanted to get it. Is that a surprise? They had already tried on together. Everything got matching. I said no.
No piece of chicken. Well, hang on to it so they don't go wrong, right?
I'm never surprised. You think that's it? Oh no! You guys, when I came up to Susan and she was wearing I kid you not. I was like, you can't jacket on. And I was like, what? And he's living in He's living in Hesby, so he's all right. He's living with all the boys. Yes.
Those guys are so working.
What did he want?
Tried to pay with my credit card and he goes, oh, it's down.
Would you like a pen and paper?
Which means that they want cash. That's the best way. Yeah, I look at those guys and I know why.
What else? You can tell me. I want to hear the story. What happened? You got the pretty busy. They're actually like, they actually are.
Yeah?
And if you have some beer, you will go be kissed. Come on. He's like, go. Beer when I was a kid. Okay. Yeah, I gave it to my one kind of it. No, I'm not. No, you don't want to go be kissed? Yeah. I didn't give any beer or wine the night I did mine. What's last Ken? When you were there, they're probably Jewish. When you sleep with these are so my favorite. Get it there. Know that they have a pad over here? It's the best people say. You're going to find a man. You get not go to the store, my mom said.
The problem is to find a comfortable shoes, and I said don't buy anything that will make me research. Oh, I want that shoes that you've got. Maybe beautiful.
Let's just do it and see what happens. So much fun today.
Like dressing.
Oh, no, Steve and Laura. Yeah.